This study introduces ValueSphere, a novel widget for quick and easy shading in digital drawings. By placing the widget anywhere in the line sketch, the user can extract and apply correct shading values through intuitive pen and multi-touch gestures. In the early stages of product design, designers shade line sketches to communicate 3D forms by assuming diffuse light from the sun as the only light source. Designers begin by breaking down the line sketch into primitives like spheres, cylinders, and cones. They then use reference spheres to determine the shading values for each primitive. Once the sphere is shaded according to the light direction and surface normals, a cylinder can be shaded by extending the shading values of the sphere tangentially fitted to the cylindrical surface, and a cone can be shaded by extending the shading value of the sphere tangentially fitted to its conical surface. However, repeatedly drawing many reference spheres can be tedious and make the line sketch messy. Furthermore, designers have to start over when they want to change the light direction. Thus, we propose ValueSphere, which helps quickly and easily shade line sketches. The ValueSphere widget consists of the sphere to visualize shading values, the highlight to indicate the light direction, and the axis and the equator to help fit the widget to the line sketch. With ValueSphere, the user can set the light direction, fit the widget to the line sketch, and extract and apply the shading value. First, to set the light direction, the user can touch the highlight with one finger and drag it along the surface of the sphere. Second, to fit the widget to the line sketch, the user can touch the widget and drag with 2 fingers of one hand to relocate it, or with 1 finger of each hand to simultaneously relocate, resize, and rotate it. The user can also touch the equator with 1 finger and drag in the orthogonal direction to tilt it. Lastly, to apply the shading value, the user can tap the sphere with the pen to extract the shading value and draw to apply it. At any time, the light direction can be changed by touching and dragging the highlight, with the shading values automatically revised accordingly. To showcase the usefulness of ValueSphere, one of the authors used it to shade various line sketches. To shade the line sketch of the hairdryer, the light direction is set, the widget is fitted to the sketch, and the shading value is extracted and applied. At any time, the light direction can be changed by touching and dragging the highlight, with the shading values automatically revised in accordance. The same procedure can be applied to shading a robot arm. First, set the light direction, fit the widget to the line sketch of the robot arm, and apply the shading value. Similarly, for a modernist building, the process remains the same. Set the light direction, fit the widget to the line sketch of the building, and apply the shading value.